What if there was an unboxing video? I've never done an unboxing video, but I thought this would be fun. I got a package today. Now, as you know, you only get one shot at unboxing videos. So normally I take 3 tries to make a video at least. If I stumble a bit, please bear with me. We only get one shot at this. But just for fun, an unboxing video. So here is the box. Go ahead and put your guess as to what it is in the comments below. Let's see here. How should we open this? Can't see. Pull in, can you? What have we here? It's a buckler. Don't know if there's any paperwork inside that I can see. It's probably on the outside. Environmentally friendly plastic. I'm kidding. Sorry. This looks a little oily. Don't get too much on me. There we go. And so there's the front. And oh yes, quite oily. There is the handle. Just grab it like this. So this is from Outfit for Events. They do outfits, but they also do weapons and armor. And it is a buckler. It is their buckler with 4 plates. It's 2 millimeters thick. This one is size large. It is 38 centimeters, if I'm remembering correctly. And it is approximately 2.3 kilograms. I don't have a scale here, but yeah, 38 centimeters. So, now some of you might be asking, why did you get a buckler? And, you know, this is basically, I got some money for Christmas, and so this is my present to myself. And I chose the buckler for a specific reason, well, a few different reasons. So, you know, the context around that, you know, why didn't I get, say, a big Roman scutum to go with my little gladius? Or, you know, why didn't I get a Roman shield or a Viking shield, or get a kite shield or something like that? Well, I picked the buckler in particular for a couple of reasons. First of all, as most of you know, I'm in a small apartment, so a gigantic shield would be a little out of place. You know, in the context of using a shield indoors or on a ship, this is probably a really good shield to use. And you know, when I talk about you know, role-playing games and those sorts of things, I also I talk about you know, having something that's light, portable, and you know, often used in those contexts, indoors or on a ship in confined spaces, those sorts of things. So it makes sense as a prop, and you know, it also looks pretty cool. But from a more practical standpoint, I have no training in how to use a shield. This is my first time holding a real shield, essentially. But when I looked at bucklers, I really thought that my training in the fan would come in handy. You can hold a buckler out and obscure people's vision like you can with a fan. And you can punch with it or poke with it, fan style. And then you can also you can use it you can use it as a lever to deflect. So pretty much all shields can do that. But it really kind of fits, in terms of my limited knowledge, my zero knowledge of shields. It's something that I can basically, cheat and use my existing kung fu training for. It's a good size, and I think it'll be fun to incorporate into other videos. So this has been my buckler unboxing video. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them down below, and I'll put the link to this particular buckler. But if you're not in Europe, shipping is probably going to be pretty expensive. Thanks. This has been the What If Brigade. What if there was an unboxing video?